So students, with this example, I think you all understood how to create the data frame and how you can able to present it. So this is the method of creating data frame and this is the method of presenting your data frame. And into this example, we created our data frame without specifying the index value. So that's why the data frame has been created the index value automatically. So now let's see the next as example. There we will create the data frame with index value. So let's see. So there first you have to call the import pandas as PD. So there I am calling first import pandas as PD, and now I am creating the data frame value with help of the dictionary. So there is dictionary. The dictionary should be start with the curly brackets. So that's why you will start your dictionary from curly brackets. And into the dictionary first is key and then you will assign its key value. So this is the student is a key colon and its key values are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 key values. Next key will we will define. So you will first keep separated with comma and then after you will define the second key. So the marks is the second key and its values are these. These all are the key values. And next is sports and its key values. Because there are more than one key value, so that's why we have to define into the square brackets. So that's why I'm using their square brackets. If there is only one value, so we not we did not use the what square bracket, but there is a more than one value, so that's why you have to assign these all value within square brackets. So all keys has been defined, so that's why I close my the dictionary. So that dictionary has been closed. Now I will convert that dictionary into the data frame. So how you can convert the dictionary into the data frame? First you will create the data frame objects. So that's why once again I am using there the name DTF. You can also use another name, but make a practice with same name. So DTF equal PD dot data frame. So that method you have to call. So PD dot data frame. Now there I am passing the data frame value. The data frame value will be accessed from the dictionary. So that's why there is DICT. So that is the dictionary's values. And now I will specify the index value. So there I specified index value I and dx, that parameter I am passing. So that's why this is representing index. So first you will write the index equal in Roman form. There I am assigning my index in Roman letter. So these all are the index values 1 to 6, because how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there I am assigned 1 to 6 Roman values. Clear? So there I am specified the index. So when I will execute the data frame, I will present my data frame. So all you can write print method also, and directly you can write the DTF. In interactive mode, you can directly write this, but if you create your program into script mode, so then you have to use print methods, then it is able to execute it. So there I am right DTF, so that will execute the data frame data. So there you can see the index value that we specified it executing. So the index value into the form of Roman letter, and its values are these. So this is the way to specify index into the data frame. If you not specify, so what happened? Index value. If you did not specify the index value, so what happened? It will generate automatically from 0 to n minus 1. Clear? Means 0 to 5. Clear? So this is the way of assign index value. So you can specify it or not. So that is optional. So all the students, today you note down the data frame definition with its example and also try to create its program.